Certified Professional in Accessibility Core Competencies, CPAC. The Certified Professional in Accessibility Core Competencies, CPAC, is IAAP's foundational certification. This certification demonstrates a person has a broad, cross-disciplinary conceptual knowledge about disabilities, accessibility, and universal design, accessibility-related standards, laws, and management strategies. The CPAC is the ideal credential for those who manage and support accessibility, but may not personally design, implement, or evaluate the technical details of accessibility themselves. Examples of roles that should pursue the CPAC include product managers, department directors, leadership executives, professionals in HR, marketing, business development, sales, diversity and inclusion, DEI, and legal compliance. CPAC candidates must have 1 year of experience in accessibility or a new changing role with some responsibility for accessibility. Those who are approved as candidates to take the 100 multiple-choice question exam will have 2 hours to do so, unless additional time is requested as an accommodation. Web Accessibility Specialist, WAS. The Web Accessibility Specialist, WAS, is one of IAAP's technical professional certifications. It quantifies and represents a candidate's expression of their current, hands-on, technical, digital accessibility proficiency. This certification is not for beginners or individuals looking to get into web accessibility. Knowledge of HTML programming, JavaScript, and front-end elements alone will not provide the background necessary to qualify as a candidate for the WAS certification or to successfully pass the WAS exam. The WAS exam is designed to evaluate the candidate's current hands-on experience, which is why the candidate prerequisite is 3 to 5 years of first-person, in-person experience in a live, customer-focused environment, completing technical work in 10 out of 13 of the WAS domains. Those who are approved as candidates to take the 75 multiple-choice question exam will have 2 hours to do so, unless additional time is requested as an accommodation. Accessible Document Specialist, ADS. The Accessible Document Specialist, ADS, is one of IAAP's technical professional certifications. It quantifies and represents a candidate's expression of their current hands-on proficiency in creating and remediating accessible electronic documents. This certification is not for beginners or individuals just entering the field of document accessibility. Knowledge of document formats alone, like word processors, spreadsheets, or presentation tools, will not provide the background necessary to qualify as a candidate for the ADS certification or to successfully pass the ADS exam. The ADS exam is designed to evaluate the candidate's current practical experience and knowledge, which is why the candidate prerequisite is 1 to 2 years of first-person, in-person experience in majority of the ADS domains. Those who are approved as candidates to take the 75 multiple-choice question exam will have 2 hours to do so, unless additional time is requested as an accommodation. Certified Professional in Web Accessibility, CPWA. The designation of Certified Professional in Web Accessibility, CPWA, is earned by individuals who successfully passed both the CPIC exam and the WAS exam. IAAP has chosen to award those individuals with a higher-level credential as evidence of the significant achievement of passing both exams. If you plan to pursue this credential, it is important to note you must receive the results and be awarded the second certification while the first one is active. Once the CPWA is earned, it replaces the previous WS or CPAC credentials and is maintained as one certification. Steps to pursuing an IAAP certification. Now that we have explored the certifications offered by IAAP, let's take a moment to see where we are in the steps to pursuing an IAAP certification. This video focuses on Step 4, preparing for an IAAP certification exam. So steps 1 through 3 are in green on our graphic. By this stage, you should have already selected the certification you wish to pursue, reviewed the prerequisites to confirm your eligibility, chosen your preferred exam language, and review the certification content, outline, and body of knowledge. Now it is time to move forward to Step 4 and build your exam readiness plan. Divider 4. Prepare for the certification exam. Let us dive into step number 4. Prepare for the certification exam and IAAP's application process. Why preparation matters. IAAP offers exams in 6 sessions each calendar year. They cannot be retaken immediately after receiving a failing score. Preparing for your IAAP certification exam is an investment in yourself. Studying helps you build confidence, fill in knowledge gaps, and perform your best on exam day. IAAP's certification exams are built to meet global standards under ISO/IEC 17024, 2012. This means your certification is internationally recognized and backed by a process that values fairness, security, and rigor. Preparation helps you feel confident that you will do well on the exam once you are approved to sit for it. Where to start an exam readiness plan? Successfully preparing for an IAAP certification exam begins with 2 essential resources: the exam content outline, which is organized into domains representing the skills and knowledge a person who is certified would have. This outline also includes what percentage of exam questions come from each domain. This document is essential for setting exam expectations and building a successful study plan. Use it by marking domains and topics where you feel less confident and need to focus your study on. The second resource is the body of knowledge, which includes the content outline. It is a peer-developed collection of the knowledge, skills, and practices a person who is certified is expected to understand and apply. It provides detailed learning objectives for each domain, and all exam questions are directly based on these objectives. Use the body of knowledge to guide your study. Focus on the learning objectives and linked resources to strengthen your understanding in those areas. Building a successful exam readiness plan depends on an honest assessment of your current knowledge and prioritizing topics that need reinforcement or more study. Reminder: IAAP exams are built from the body of knowledge and content outline, so your preparation should be too. Building your exam readiness plan. Once you have organized the topics and domains into confident or needs reinforcement, you can build your exam readiness plan. Ask yourself, what resources and strategies will I use to strengthen the areas I identified as needing more focus? And how often and for how long will I study the topics in these areas? Focus on the topics you marked as needs reinforcement first. If you feel stuck, you may also find it helpful to explore different theories of learning styles and study methods to determine how you process information. If you do so, please remember there is not a single right learning style or best way to study. Learning is unique to each person. The second part of building a successful exam readiness plan is having a realistic study schedule. We recommend studying 5 to 10 hours per week for 6 to 8 weeks, but your schedule should reflect what works best for you. Balance time across domains and prioritize areas that need more focus. For example, if you already spend a lot of time working in Domain 1, consider focusing your study efforts on Domains 2 and 3 while briefly reviewing Domain 1 to refresh your knowledge. Actively use resources from IAAP and other organizations to help you study. Consider taking time to practice exams in a quiet, controlled environment to help you get comfortable with the exam format and time limits. Everyone's study needs are different. Build a plan that uses some of the resources we just talked about and a timeline that best supports your success. Know that it is okay to adjust your plan when needed. Study resources provided by IAAP. Each IAP certification has an About web page. Each of these pages has a section called Resources to Prepare. This section has links to sample questions. IAAP-approved global certification preparation providers, and other resources or study materials. IAAP also offers a library of archived webinars, which can be searched by topic. These can be helpful for people who prefer to learn by listening or watching. Some people may find it helpful to study with others. IAAP offers connection study groups for both CPI, KC, and WAZ exams. IAAP members can log into the website to access these groups. While an IAAP membership comes with benefits like discounted exam fees and access to study groups, you do not need to be a member to take a certification exam. You could start your own study group with coworkers through connections or in the A11Y Slack certification prep channel. Others may prefer studying independently. Creating digital or physical flashcards using tools like Quizlet can be a great way to review key terms and concepts from the body of knowledge. It is also helpful to review sample questions to understand how the exam is structured. On the About pages, you will also find IAAP-approved global certification preparation providers. If you wish to pursue these courses, please note that the purchase and/or use of any exam preparation course or product does not guarantee successful completion of the exam. Many of these materials are not created or maintained by IAAP and may have varying levels of accessibility. How you choose to study is entirely up to you. On exam day, it will only be you and the test. So make sure you choose resources and methods that work best for you. Things to consider as you wrap up your study plan. Setting a goal to apply during a specific exam session can help motivate you to stay on track with your study plan. Once you feel confident and ready to move on from step 4, it is time to choose an exam session and submit your candidate application. Depending on your study plan, this might be about 6 weeks after you first decided to pursue an IAAP professional certification. So let us take a moment to go over some important things to consider as you wrap up your study plan. But before you choose an exam session and submit your candidate application. First, IAAP exams are not for purchase or open to everyone. One must apply and be approved as a candidate before they can schedule and pay for an IAAP certification exam. Applications are only open for a short period of time during one of our 6 exam sessions. Second, candidate approval is based on prerequisites. Approval depends on whether you meet the experienced prerequisites for the certification you are pursuing. All exam prerequisites are set by subject matter experts. These experts are your peers and colleagues in accessibility. Third, how will you take your exam, and do you need any accommodations? Review exam pricing on the About page, then the certification exam locations and options, and exam accommodations and accessibility to decide which payment type and exam location will work best for you. If you require any accommodations, just include them in your application. We do not require documentation or proof of disability. The information in your application will help IAAP and our trusted exam partner create an accessible testing environment that meets your individual needs. By planning ahead and setting realistic expectations, you can ensure your exam experience is as smooth and successful as your study plan. Now is also a good time to start thinking about how you will maintain your certification once you earn it. IAAP professional certifications are valid for 3 years and must be maintained through continuing education. To learn more, review our How to Maintain Your Professional Certification video. What to expect while completing an exam candidate application. Once you have completed your study plan and feel confident in your current knowledge, you are ready to move forward. Step 5 is choosing an exam session, and Step 6 is applying to be a candidate for a certification exam. While this video is focused on Step 4, preparing for an IAAP certification exam, it is important to know what to expect once you are finished studying. Applications are only open for a short time during each exam session, so planning is key. All candidate applications will be submitted through the IAAP portal during an open exam session. If you are new to IAAP, you will need to create an account. If you are a current member or certificate, log in with your existing account. Following your exam study plan will take time. Completing your candidate application correctly will take time to be patient and read all instructions carefully. Please make sure you confirm the exam language you select matches your current comfort level, because that is the language your exam will be delivered in. If you are pursuing CPAC, you will start and complete a candidate application. Within the application, you will describe your professional experience and clearly explain how it aligns with the CPAC content outline. In the same application, you will provide your personal and contact information, submit accommodation requests if applicable, select your exam delivery and payment preferences, upload an up-to-date resume that includes your roles, dates of employment, and job responsibilities. If you are pursuing WAS, we recommend you use the WAS pre-application worksheet downloads as a MSFT Word document to help you prepare. Once you have completed the worksheet, you can copy and paste your answers from the worksheet directly into your WAS candidate application. This application is used to verify that candidates meet the prerequisites for this technical certification. You should be prepared to spend time providing clear, documented, first-person examples tied to your professional roles that show your personal responsibility for performing the WAS job tasks across each domain within the same application. You will provide your personal and contact information, submit accommodation requests if applicable, select your exam delivery and payment preferences, upload an up-to-date resume that includes your roles, dates of employment, and job responsibilities. If you are pursuing ADS is also a technical certification. So in your candidate application, you will describe your professional experience across each ADS domain and subdomain. You should be prepared to spend time providing clear, documented, first-person examples tied to your professional roles that show your personal responsibility for performing the ADS job tasks across each domain within the same application. You will also provide your personal and contact information, submit accommodation requests if applicable, select your exam delivery and payment preferences, upload an up-to-date resume that includes your roles, dates of employment, and relevant job responsibilities. Upload any relevant education or training documentation if applicable. If you are approved as a candidate to take an IAAP exam, you will be notified via email, then contacted by our trusted exam partner after you pay the exam fee. Final review preparation is the key to success. Taking the time to build a strong study plan will help you feel confident and ready on exam day. The content, outline, and body of knowledge will be your most valuable resources throughout this process. Use them to guide and structure your study plan. Start by honestly assessing your areas of strength and identifying which topics may need more work. Then, focus your time and energy on those topics until you feel confident. Select study resources and methods that match your learning style and support your long-term success. Earning a professional certification is a commitment to continued learning. Trust in yourself and commit to the plan you create. Consistency is key. Create a realistic study schedule and goals, then allow yourself to follow it. When exam sessions open, know what to expect and be ready to submit your candidate application on time. With a solid study plan, the right resources, and steady practice, you will feel confident and hopefully succeed on exam day. You can do this. Have questions or want to contact IAAP? Please watch other videos on the IAAP Professional Certification Simplified YouTube video playlist. Do you have questions about IAAP certifications or exams? If so, register for a general certification office hours. It is held every second Wednesday of the month at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and every fourth Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Do you have questions about certification maintenance and renewals? If so, register for a certification maintenance session. It is held every second Monday of the month at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You can email certification@accessibilityassociation.org or complete an IAAP contact form anytime. Thank you for your time. Thank you for taking time out of your day to learn how to prepare for an IAAP certification exam. We look forward to supporting you if you pursue one of our certifications.